Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. You know, one of the things that has been happening that we've talked about before is the currency move has been fast and furious. I'm looking at the Japanese yen here this morning. You know, you get a nice big spike up off of an extreme oversold condition. As you can see, you don't even have a swing point low on the daily time frame until you walk all the way back to July 30th. It was straight down. Now spikes up, volume spikes heavily here. That's probably just short covering. Sells back down the next day, rises. Now this may have been some real buying here, or potentially just more short covering. That would have been a place to take a shot at it on the short side. Spikes up again, get a little reversal yesterday. If you pull this out and look at a little bit long-term picture, what this thing is doing on a longer term is it's simply coming back to do the retest regenerate. The market's always testing. It's trying to figure out where the buyers are, where the sellers are, which one is, shall we say, the strongest. And as it comes back up here and test it, you look to see how many are willing to buy versus how many were willing to sell. And right now, the sellers are still outnumbering the buyers. Now, if it comes up here, and this is after more than 6 bars, the break was here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6 bar. So as you come back on the 6 bar, the probabilities are about a coin flip, about 50-50. If you look at this on this time frame, and then go out one more time frame to the monthly, you can see that this thing sold off in a huge, fast manner. And now, so, just visualize it here in terms of angles, right? Huge, fast move down. And then since then, it's just kind of been more of a drift. This spike up recently is a result of Japanese ministers saying, hey, we're going down too fast, too furious. What they're doing is they're basically allowing this thing to continue down, but at a slower pace. They have to devalue the yen. They have no choice. There's no other way out of this mess for them. So the only way they can do growth is through exports, and the only way they can do exports is devaluing the yen. It's going to continue to happen. That is today's short take.